PSP já só se sempre, né?
So, what plans do you have for St.
Well, we're gonna drop now. Hopefully, come by that hospital. Maybe we give a date. We have another coming before the end of this year.
Okay.
So that will be our next big project. And also the working on the live.
Oh, that's great. Okay, so one last question. Do you have anything to tell your fans?
I appreciate all your support. It's what's about you. I see how many successes right now. We're looking forward to our endless support. And look out for the album. Remember in December this year. And also a live album coming soon too. So I'm trying to machine the idea with it. Share was good.
Well, once again, this is Judy from Belgium TV. This is Second Home Self. And we hope to hear from you next week.
Thank you.